If you complete this all areas, then you can see a good result day by day. It's the organic, and it can be helpful for your channel, for your content.
Okay, yeah, I agree. Well, like I said, so, but what do you think, why did that happen? What did happen? Like, why did it drop off? Like some of my other videos that would go slowly, steadily, like few views. I have a couple that went, you know, over 20,000 views. Again, for my channel, that's a lot. I only have 300 subscribers. But that video really took off. And just dropped. Like it seems like it was shadow banned, like just put aside by YouTube algorithm.
To make this report, need few information from your site. First, need to your channel analytics report. Without it, we cannot find it properly. Okay, need few data from your site. Go to your channel setting.
Do you want? Let me just go log into my
YouTube channel. Yeah.
Well, give me 1 second. This will take. Just give me 1 second, and I'll share my screen.
জি স্যার বলুন।
জি আমিও মানে প্রবলেমগুলো একবার স্ক্রিনশটে দেখাচ্ছি, আরেকবার ভিডিও করে সব বলে দিছি ডিটেইলস ইংলিশে বলে দিয়েছি যে এই সমস্যা এগুলো মন করেন আপডেট করলে চ্যানেলটা গ্রো হবে।
আমরা একটু পরে ওনার কাছে কাজ রিপোর্ট দেওয়ার পরে আর যাব না সামনের দিকে কাজ নেব আর কি। ঠিক আছে।
ওকে, give me 1 second. Where is your...
Please click on share and then
give me 1 second here.
Okay.
I really don't. I used Zoom long time ago.
Okay. Dear Jason, host কি আপনি আছেন?
জি জি।
শেয়ার করার অপশন দেন। আপনি আমাকে হোস্ট দেন, আমি ইয়া দিচ্ছি।
Okay, share screen. Yeah.
Okay, just wait. আমাকে হোস্ট দেন, আমি অন করে দিচ্ছি।
It says host disabled.
Just wait.
Yeah.
Just wait a few minutes.
আমার নামের উপর গিয়ে মেক হোস্টে ক্লিক করুন। আমার নামের উপর গিয়ে 3 ডট থেকে মেক হোস্ট।
Okay, make host. Okay, sir, confirm.
Okay. Alright, do you want me to try now?
Just wait, dear. I'm going to. Yes, now you can try.
Okay, there we go. Okay, can you guys see it?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is
click on
this
manage videos. No. Please go back.
Yeah. Let me go back.
Go back. Yeah.
Okay. Your videos here.
Manage videos. Click on manage videos from your. Just wait. I am going to send you. Okay. Yeah. It's okay. Go to analytics. Go to your analytics from left side. Okay. You know. Okay. I am going to send you request. Please accept.
Okay.
You can see this is go up, but from this side, from this date, it's go down.
Okay.
If you want to grow it again, must be need to research your targeted keywords first, and then need to optimize your each and every video title, description, and another setting. Third, we need to share your content on all social media sites more and more if we want to grow up it again. Okay, after that we can go dashboard. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Okay, just wait. Is this on in our result video কি result কেমন আছে?
তেমন ভালো না, যে খুব ভালো অমন না, বুঝলেন?
আচ্ছা
42 মন কারণ থাকি, আবার কয়েকটা ভিডিও 50 আছে।
Okay. Dear. Hello.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
You need to lots of update. Also need to update on your banner. Okay. There is lots of update. If you update it properly, then you can see a good result, hopefully. Within a few moments, within a few months, or within a few days, because you know depend on our YouTube, but that's why need to complete our all everything from A to Z.
Okay. So what would you suggest here? And is there any chance, I'm very intrigued by this phone. You see this, the green iPhone. I'm wondering why did this dropped off again? 2 days going great.
Yeah, no, it's bad. A few days ago, update YouTube. If we see
I understand that.
Yeah,
I understand how this part goes here.
yeah,
Like it goes up, it's more views. But if I show you this one, give me 1 second. You see how? Give me a second. What would I see? Oh, last
48 hours.
Oh yeah, since published, but you see, like it just took off. You see, it's in first 5 days, I had 2,200, and after that, so in first few days I had 2,200, and since then, which is months, I only had 200 views on it. But in first 2 days I had 2,200, and then it took
I understand.
3 months to get another 200. So I wonder why did that happen? Why that drop off?
Okay, we need to continue our marketing. Okay, this is the first method. If you continue your marketing, then you can see a good result. Without it, we cannot running it properly.
Okay, so how would you market this?
Okay, and for that, Zishan send you a full details report in your Gmail account, that how to start your market and how to collect our targeted audience with targeted views and subscribers. He informed you properly on your Gmail account with a details report. Okay, and for that also need to research your each and every video. Without it, we cannot make a report properly, and that's why, if possible, if you trust us, then you can add us as a channel manager, when we can research it and make a report, and then we can join another Zoom meeting to discuss about our channel, that how to grow it and how to grow our channel views or another thing. Okay.
Yeah, we can do that. I mean, it would take a little bit, longer for us to work to get there.